Hey fitness enthusiasts, welcome back to another empowering session where we take your home workouts to the next level. By the end of this video, you'll master calisthenics skills that will elevate your fitness game. Before we dive in, a quick reminder: upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best HIIT workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic. Boost your fitness, calisthenics skills progression. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Engaging hook. Imagine performing perfect muscle-ups, mastering handstands, and conquering advanced push-ups, all from the comfort of your home. Sounds incredible, right? Today, we'll break down a step-by-step progression to help you achieve these impressive calisthenics skills. No need for expensive gym memberships or fancy equipment, just dedication and consistency. Understanding the basics. Calisthenics, at its core, relies on body weight exercises to build strength, flexibility, and endurance. The beauty of calisthenics lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, this progression plan is designed to cater to all levels. Step 1. Building a strong foundation. Start with basic exercises to create a solid foundation. Focus on push-ups. Mastering the perfect push-up is essential. Begin with knee push-ups if necessary and progress to full push-ups. Pull-ups. Use a pull-up bar or sturdy door frame. Start with assisted pull-ups if you're a beginner. Dips. Utilize parallel bars or a sturdy chair. Keep your movements controlled and precise. Step 2. Intermediate progressions. Once you've nailed the basics, it's time to advance. Pike push-ups. Transition from regular push-ups to pike push-ups to build shoulder strength. Hollow body hold. Improve core stability by holding a hollow body position. Australian pull-ups. Perform these with a lower bar to build pulling strength. Visual demonstrations. Watch closely as I demonstrate each exercise and progression. Pay attention to form and technique. These are crucial for avoiding injury and maximizing gains. Quick tip: consistency is key. Aim to practice these skills regularly, gradually increasing intensity and difficulty. Remember, mastering calisthenics takes time and dedication. Start with the basics, build your foundation, and gradually progress to advanced skills. Stay consistent, and you'll see remarkable improvements in your strength and flexibility. Feel inspired? Share your progress in the comments below. Let's motivate each other to reach new heights in our fitness journeys. Stay tuned for more fitness tips and workout routines. Until next time, keep pushing your limits and transforming your fitness journey.